Hello, everyone. Today, we are pleased to present our human-computer interaction project titled HCI, a mobile application and website designed to help users discover, explore, and plan trips across Algeria. This project was developed by Dikra Maram Latreche, Hana Sadi, Hanane Boubenaider, and Marua Bouzira as part of the Human-Computer Interaction module. Project Overview. HCI is a travel discovery platform focused on the Algerian context. The main objective of this project is to provide users with a simple, intuitive, and visually engaging experience for discovering destinations, learning about places, and organizing trips. Our design approach is based on user-centered design, ensuring that user needs and expectations were considered at every stage of the project. Problem statement. Travelers in Algeria often face difficulties when searching for reliable and well-structured information about destinations. Many existing travel platforms are too complex, poorly organized, or not adapted to local users. Additionally, usability and accessibility are often neglected, leading to confusion and frustration. Our project aims to address these issues by designing a platform that is easy to learn, easy to navigate, and inclusive, while respecting human-computer interaction principles. Target users. The primary target users of HCI include local Algerian travelers, young people interested in discovering new places, tourists looking for culturally relevant information. These users have different levels of technical experience, so the interface must be usable for both novice and experienced users. User research. Before starting the design phase, we conducted a preliminary user research process. We analyzed existing travel applications and websites to identify common usability problems, such as poor navigation, information overload, and inconsistent layouts. We also considered typical user behaviors, including how users search for destinations and compare options. This research helped define clear design goals such as simplicity, clarity, and consistency. Personas. Based on our research findings, we created user personas representing different user profiles. For example, one persona represents a novice traveler who needs guidance, while another represents an experienced traveler who values speed and efficiency. These personas helped us make design decisions that balance simplicity and flexibility. Information architecture. The structure of HCI was carefully planned to reduce cognitive load. The application includes onboarding screens, authentication flows, a home page, destination details, a schedule page, messaging, search, and a user profile. Each section has a clear purpose and is accessible through a consistent bottom navigation bar. Onboarding and authentication. The onboarding process introduces the app's purpose using short texts and visual elements, helping first-time users quickly understand its value. Authentication pages, such as sign-in, sign-up, and password recovery, follow familiar patterns to reduce learning effort. Home page design. After signing in, users arrive at the home page. Destinations are presented using rounded cards with images, ratings, and short descriptions. This card-based layout supports recognition rather than recall, following Nielsen's usability heuristics. Destination details page. When a user selects a destination, the details page provides structured information, including images, location, reviews, and booking options. Visual hierarchy and spacing guide user attention and support decision-making. Usability heuristics. Several usability heuristics were applied throughout the design. Consistency across screens, visibility of system status, simple and predictable navigation, error prevention by limiting unnecessary user input, accessibility considerations. Accessibility was an important aspect of this project. We used readable typography, sufficient color contrast, large touch targets, and simple layouts. These choices improve usability for users with visual impairments, motor difficulties, or limited technical experience. Algerian context and visual design. The visual identity of Haus Baya reflects the Algerian environment. We used a nature-inspired color palette, culturally relevant imagery, and familiar terminology. This localization strengthens user trust and emotional connection. Evaluation and improvements. During the design process, we reviewed the interface and identified areas for improvement. We adjusted spacing, simplified navigation paths, and improved content organization to enhance usability, guided by HCI principles. Reflection. One of the most challenging aspects of this project was balancing visual design and usability. We prioritized consistency, simplicity, and user-centered thinking to refine the interface. Conclusion. In conclusion, Haas-Baya demonstrates how human-computer interaction principles can be applied to create a human-centered travel discovery application. The project highlights the importance of usability, accessibility, and cultural relevance in interface design. Thank you for your attention.